In this video, I'll explain how to withdraw money from a limited PayPal account before the 180-day hold period. If your account is restricted, follow these steps to request access to your funds. Go to PayPal and click on Help. Then, select Resolution Center. If you have transactions on hold, you'll see them here. Click on the transaction and use the Raise a Dispute button to query the hold and request its removal. Alternatively, you can go to Help, click on Contact, and use the messaging option to connect with a PayPal agent. Explain your situation and request the release of your funds. Keep in mind that if there's a dispute, you may have to wait for its resolution before the hold is lifted. Typically, once the dispute is resolved, your funds will be available before the 180-day period ends. I hope this information helps. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.